Hey guys, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. On my last video, I shown you some of the stuff that I thrifted. I also promised to take you to my storage. Let's go into my garage. So guys, this is my storage. This is in my garage and I am going to take you in and show you a few pieces. I am not going to make the video too long, but from along the lines that I was telling you about, that I absolutely love the pieces that I have because I feel like some of them are unique, and just the detail that some of them has, I feel that they are worth taking another look at. And I like I said, I like stuff that are out there in the stores, but I love the pieces that I have. And especially in this economy right here, I believe that your money is better with you than with anyone else. And I think there's nothing wrong with the older pieces. You just have to look at them differently and use paint and zhuzh it up. Paint come in an array of colors and patterns and different styles. And as long as you find your style, and you know, some pieces have great bones. It may not be the color that you want, but you could take it and turn it into something totally different. So let's get in here and I'll show you some of the pieces. So as you guys know that I love wrought iron. I express that a lot. I love metal pieces. A matter of fact, that was like my saving grace when my children was younger, because actually I think only one piece that I've ever had broke when my children, because I had them when my kids, these pieces when my kids were younger. One piece that broke, actually two pieces, and I'll show it to you because I still held on to it. So right here, what we have is a lamp. This is a lamp right here. And let me see if I can stand back a bit. This is a lamp, and let me take this from here. This is what the base of the lamp look like. Pay the dust no mind, it's out in the garage. And this is the detail of this lamp right here. And see, it goes up. And look at the I'll say the shade, the glass globe, the shade. This is what it looks like. Under it, this is how it's held together, and this is the top of it right here. And I think this is so pretty, and I have two of them. And actually I have got a good deal on my furniture when I purchased it, and the guy threw these lamps in. Here is another set of lamps right here, and just some little skinny lamps. They were thrifted. I think you can see the price right here. I can't see it right now, but this is the price that I paid for the lamps. Another metal candle stand. This here was thrifted. More metal candle stand that you could change the color of. Look at the detail on this. A matter of fact, the Dollar Tree sell like a glass top that you could, oh Jesus. Let me show you 1 second. So I am back. So I couldn't find the one for the Dollar Tree, but you remember Dollar Tree have these, and I mean this here is too big. But this is how you could interchange this. You could paint it silver. You could do a full finish on it. And guys, I'm gonna show you how I full finish different pieces, and turn this into something like totally different. Right here, these are another set of lamps, and this was also thrifted. Is brass in the bottom, and it has that glass cylinder. And I think it was $4 from my thrift store, and it's a double bulb. Here is another piece here. Let me take this away. Here is another piece here. It was two of them, but one broke. Actually, my neighbor threw this out in the garbage. And here is another two here that was thrifted. Like I said, you could paint them. Look at the patina on this one, and then look at it on this one. You could paint them. Here is a ginger jar right here, if you're tired of the color of it, paint it. These here, I think this was gold at one point. This candle stand here was gold at one point. And I painted it. I have 2 of them. This one here, I found that at my local thrift store. I bought these in New Jersey. But this one here, I got it when I moved to the South. And this here was broken. And I glue it together. Here is another piece. I don't want to spend too much time. I just want to show you just a bit of what I have. If you guys need a tour of my storage, I will do it if enough people leave me a comment. Here is another piece. This was also thrifted, and look like the top is a little bit wobbly under here. I could add some glue to it and stabilize it. This here, you could put some topiary balls, whatever in them. Another piece here is this half a basket that I have here, and let me see if I can get it from here. This is how it looks, and this is the back side of it that you could hang it on the wall. And I cannot see me throwing this away. I could use this in my outdoor decorating. I could use it, it's not that heavy. I could also use it on my doors. So I just love the pieces that I have. I could paint it. I could put it, I have 2 of them, and I could put it at either side of my fireplace. I also have the larger floor planter to it. And yeah, a lot of different pieces that you could look at differently. Like I said, your money is better with you than in any store. And some of the pieces that they sell today is, most of them are glued together. And I hate spending bad money. This piece here, look at this. This is a vase. And this is quite tall. This is about 3 feet tall. And I have 2 of them. Let's make it down here. I don't want to keep you too long. Okay, here's some zebra pieces that I have. This one here, purchased it. Actually, I've never used this piece right here, this vase, but I could paint this vase. I could also just put like a glaze over it, like a pearlized, kind of situation. If you notice on here, it has gold. I painted a gold on this. Let me turn around. I think there's an area on here I did not do. Okay. Oh no. Wait. I think this area right here. I didn't do this area. See how it looked different from this? I didn't do that one. Here are different pieces. This was a thrifted find. Another thrifted find. I have these here that I thrifted that go with a piece that I purchased. Here's this horse right here, and this is huge. Here, this piece right here, you could paint it out. We're gonna get a little lower. I have this angel here that I thrifted. I could paint it, I could leave it just like how it is. Here is another piece. I actually found this in a garbage. Yes, the garbage. Here is another piece here. Here's a top to a vase. You have a vase and you want to give it a different look. This is a topper you could put on it, and it has the fleur-de-lis emblem on it. And right here, that was my first gift from someone on YouTube. Her name is Donna the Dipper, and she sent this to me. Here is another fleur-de-lis plus, nice little finial. And guys, if you leave a comment to me, I will show you how to make these, and it will cost you like next to nothing. I have these vases right here, and I thrifted these. I think I thrifted 3 of them, and then I found another one. But this is what I did. Actually, let me finish off here. Here are some frames that I have. Some of them are my kids. I haven't hung up anything as yet. Like I said, downstairs is not done. Downstairs is more based on family, and that's where I would like to put some of the awards and stuff. But nevertheless, this is how I store them. Lately here, I got this at the thrift store. And let me see, it was $1. down in here. Yeah, and a bit of painting. Like I could paint this. This here is a tray, and yeah, I could paint it. I could leave it as it is. The detail on this is a raised detail, so it will show up. Another thrifted find. It could be painted. It could use like as an accent piece on a sideboard or even a mantle, and then you could also, you know, hang it on the wall. Here is another piece. This one here is heavy. Here's another piece that I have, and this is a wall sconce, and this is solid wood. Yes, and this is how it look. I have 4 of them. This is huge. Just stand about maybe 2 feet tall. Ooh, it's heavy. Yes, so it's just looking at the pieces that you have and looking at them differently. Here are some chandeliers that I found at the thrift store. Right here is a little shelf, and this is how it looks, and it was $3, but I didn't pay $3 for it. Here are some chandeliers, like I said. Here are some of the other pieces. I want to show you this vase. Guys, if you need a bigger tour, like this is where I keep like some of my glass pieces. I also have storage downstairs. And yes, I have a lot of things because I have a 5,000 feet square home, and I like to interchange my decor. I don't like to use the one piece over and over. I could use them in different places all over the house. And this storage is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves from the top of the in the garage here. Come down, I have see right here, these vases right here. I absolutely love them. See the rustic, see the Tuscan. You can see just an array of style. This is how the feet looks. This is how the feet looks, and I have 2 of them. And guys, I don't want to make this video too long, but if you need a tour of my storage and some of the pieces that I have, let me know. But I am going to take you guys along to show you how I'm going to reinvent my pieces. This here is a ginger jar, and this is how it looks. And why would I get rid of this? I could paint it. I could put silver on it. I could gold leaf it, you know, bring all that beautiful detail off of it. You know, get rid of this to go by what? There's stuff on there here, as you see, is dusty. Actually, this piece here is dusty. It's 2 lamps. Got it from, actually I picked it up from somewhere. Might have been on the side of the road. 2 lamps. But I'm going to turn this into a vase. Saying that, my next video, I want to show you guys how to make your own ginger jar. It will be an amazing DIY, and it will save you money. This is another ginger jar that I have here, and it has this beautiful detail on it. It's quite tall. And I have these different lamps here because I take lamps with these type of detail, and if I don't want it anymore, I turn them into candle stand. If you want to see that, let me know. I have this piece here. I don't even think I've hauled this. I have this piece here. This came from a thrift store, and I'm not going to keep it this color. Paint is your friend. I have this bust right here. I have this for many years. See this from a store called AJ Wright. AJ Wright is not even in business anymore, but it's kind of hard for me to take tags off of stuff. And this is like over 10 years. Yes, and this is like a lady foam. And this mirror right here, beautiful detail. These candle stand right here. I'm going to end the video now, but if you guys need a tour, I also have pieces. Let me show you. Another set of storage. I also have wrought iron pieces, like fabulous wrought iron pieces. Look at this right here. And these are plate stand. If you Google this company called the GG Collection, you will see the type of stuff that they make. I also have these up here. So if you need another tour of my storage, let me know. Guys, please like, subscribe, share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching.